Thank you.
And flower arrangements and more various information on Japan. If you want to know anything about Japan, you can visit one of these stalls over there. And then of course, Japanese cuisine. Wonderful, there's so many yummy Japanese food is available over there. So just visit.
So please give a warm welcome to the arrivals and wait.
Thanks so much. Big round of applause, people. So many kids, their first time on stage. Woo. Next up, we have Ardent Alchemist, Tomamu from the game Overwatch. Next up, cosplaying a character from the Toho Project, Matsuri. I'm going to have a quick chat to them all and ask them what their favourite part of their costume is. So I'm pretty sure we're going to know the answer here. What's the favourite part of your costume?
Hard question.
The wings?
The wings?
Of course, it's my doll. My doll.
The doll, fantastic. All right, I'm gonna go down this way. And what about yourself? What's the favorite part of your costume?
My favorite part is probably the back of my costume because I hand painted everything.
You hand painted the back of your cosplay. Can we have a look at that? That's fantastic. Absolute dedication. And what about you? What's the favorite part of cosplaying Totoro?
Probably the looks people give me and the excitement when they see me.
Is everyone excited to see her? Yeah? Yeah, fantastic. And what is the best thing about this marvelous ensemble?
Feeling like a king.
Who doesn't want to feel like a king or a queen, right? Royalty, fantastic. And what is the best thing about cosplaying from Love Live?
Probably just it's kind of different depending on what outfit you do and creative.
So the Love Live girls change outfits a lot, don't they?
Definitely.
Awesome. And probably the most striking of the day? Only because it's all red. Who doesn't love red, right? What's the best thing about your costume?
Definitely the big bow. I love my big frilly bow.
Love the big frilly bow. It is very frilly and very big. And another red one. What's the best thing about this particular mashup?
Well, bandages.
The bandages. Yes, can't cosplay without bandages. And what's the best thing about your cosplay?
Probably the fan here that I have. It's got the picture of Deku.
Did you make this yourself?
No, my mom helped me.
Thanks, Mom! That's fantastic. Cosplay in the family. And this is a fantastic mashup, one of my favorites. But what's your favorite part of it?
The eyeballs and the fabulous shoes.
Shoes and eyeballs. We can all agree that's the best fashion statement, yes? And the ones that started it all, what's the favorite thing about your double up act?
Oh, definitely the flail. It's kind of the star piece. My sleeves, I like to store my stuff in it.
Flails and sleeves to store things in. Thank you so much, guys. You can head off to the back. We're with Smash, the Sydney Manga and Anime Show 2019, July 13th and 14th at the ICC. Everyone can see it there on your right. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
Wow, fantastic, thank you. Do you think they like cosplay here in Sydney? Have you all been entertained? Is everyone having a fantastic day?
I will count 3. After 3, can you try to throw into the sky? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Please put your hands together for AGS 10-2. We perform every week. We have a show today as well at 9 p.m. I hope you guys can come. So, we will go to our next song.
Wow. A true sign of how good a performer someone is when they make it look that easy. Another round of applause for Mad Unity, please. Thank you. Okay, now we will have a short 15-minute break. The next performance will start at 5:45 sharp. 20-minute break. Okay, so please use this time to visit the menu stalls that are open in the back here. We've got some lovely Japanese food, everything from a very popular Matsuri dish, takoyaki, octopus in dumplings, to Japanese gyoza. We have Japanese curry, yakisoba, okonomiyaki, and even sushi. So please, if you haven't already, make sure you go and visit the many food stalls. Also, when you visit the food stalls, I'm sure you'll get a little thirsty. In the back, we have direct from Okinawa, an Orion beer stand, Japanese beer from Okinawa. And if you don't like beer, we also have sake. So please, if you're over 18, go to the back, right behind you all, and visit the alcohol area in this beautiful darling harbour, Tumbalong Park here today.